Tradovate versus NinjaTrader, which futures trading platform is better? Choosing the right platform can transform your trading experience by boosting efficiency without the hassle of complicated tools. Both offer powerful features for futures traders. Tradovate and NinjaTrader are two leading futures trading platforms. The main difference lies in their approach. Tradovate is cloud-based with a modern interface, while NinjaTrader offers advanced charting and extensive customization primarily through desktop software. Tradovate is a cloud-native futures trading platform designed for active traders seeking flexibility and ease of access. It operates entirely online, allowing users to trade from any device without installing software. The platform integrates real-time market data, advanced order types, and commission-free trading options for subscribers. Tradovate's strengths include its intuitive user interface, seamless mobile and desktop experience, and collaborative trading tools, such as shared workspaces. However, its cloud-based model depends heavily on stable internet connectivity, which might be a limitation for traders in low-bandwidth environments. Additionally, while it supports futures trading comprehensively, it may lack some of the deep customization and third-party integrations found in more mature platforms. Tradovate is ideal for traders who prioritize accessibility, modern design, and straightforward pricing over highly complex technical setups. For those looking to trade futures without the burden of heavy software or multiple installations, Tradovate offers a streamlined solution. Source: http://tradovate.com. NinjaTrader is a desktop-based futures trading platform known for its advanced charting capabilities and extensive customization options. It supports algorithmic trading, backtesting, and extensive third-party add-ons, making it popular among professional and experienced traders. NinjaTrader provides robust market analytics and a comprehensive suite of order execution tools, catering to complex trading strategies. Its platform requires installation and periodic updates, with a steeper learning curve compared to cloud-based alternatives. Strengths include powerful charting, automated trading systems, and a large ecosystem of developer tools and community scripts. On the downside, NinjaTrader's interface can feel overwhelming to new users, and its licensing or subscription fees may be higher depending on the plan. This platform suits traders who demand granular control over their trading environment and rely on technical analysis and automation for futures trading. Traders with the patience to master the platform's depth will find NinjaTrader a highly capable tool. Source: NinjaTrader.com. When comparing Tradovate and NinjaTrader, the choice depends on your trading style and priorities. Tradovate shines with its cloud-based accessibility and modern design, making it perfect for traders who want quick setup and mobile flexibility. It simplifies futures trading with lower fees and straightforward tools. NinjaTrader, in contrast, excels in advanced charting, automation, and customization, fitting traders who use complex strategies and require deep technical features. However, it demands more setup time and technical knowledge. For example, a trader focused on quick, on-the-go trades will benefit from Tradovate's ease, while a professional developing algorithmic strategies will prefer NinjaTrader's power. Both platforms offer strong futures trading capabilities, but the trade-off is between simplicity and depth. Sources: https Tradovate.com, http NinjaTrader.com. Choose Tradovate if you want a user-friendly, cloud-based platform with low fees and seamless access across devices for straightforward futures trading. Opt for NinjaTrader if advanced charting, automation, and customization are essential to your trading strategy. Its powerful tools support professional futures traders looking for deep control. Ultimately, your choice should align with your trading style and technical needs.